A burst of color. My adventures with Lantana Confetti. Lantana Confetti isn't your average flowering shrub. It's an explosion of color in a compact package, perfect for bringing life to any patio or garden bed. This wasn't always my horticultural knowledge, though. Like many, I was initially captivated by the vibrant display of sunshine yellow, fiery orange, and soft mauve flowers, all swirling together in a single bloom. But as I delved deeper, I discovered a surprisingly low-maintenance plant with a whole lot to offer. What is Lantana Confetti? Lantana Confetti, a cultivar of Lantana camara, commonly called lantana or shrub verbena, is a true showstopper. Unlike its vining relatives, this variety boasts a bushy, upright growth habit, reaching a mature height of 2 to 3 feet. The real magic lies in the flowers. Clusters of tiny blooms unfurl in a kaleidoscope of colors, constantly changing as they age. New blooms start a sunny yellow, maturing to fiery orange, and then finishing in a soft mauve. This mesmerizing transformation happens within a single cluster, creating a confetti effect that lives up to its name. The dark green, serrated foliage provides a striking contrast to the vibrant blooms, adding another layer of visual interest. Lantana Confetti is also a butterfly magnet, attracting these colorful pollinators with its sweet nectar. Watching them flit between the blooms adds a touch of whimsy to any garden. Is Lantana Confetti a perennial? This is a question I hear often. The answer depends on your climate. Lantana Confetti thrives in warm weather and is considered evergreen in frost-free zones, USDA zones 10 to 11. In colder climates, it acts as an annual, succumbing to the first frost. But fear not. With a little planning, you can enjoy its beauty year-round. Simply take cuttings before the first frost and bring them indoors for the winter. With proper care, they'll be ready to burst back into life come spring. How to care for Lantana Confetti. Lantana Confetti is a gardener's dream. It's incredibly easy to care for, requiring minimal effort to reward you with a season-long display of color. Here's what you need to know. Sun. This sun worshiper craves at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. The more sun, the more prolific the blooms. Soil. Lantana Confetti isn't fussy about soil type as long as it's well-drained. Average garden soil works perfectly. Watering. Water deeply when the soil feels dry to the touch. Once established, it's quite drought-tolerant. Fertilizer. A light application of balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season is sufficient. With these simple steps, your Lantana Confetti will thrive and become a focal point in your garden. How to propagate Lantana Confetti. Sharing the beauty of Lantana Confetti is easy. Here's how to propagate new plants. Stem cuttings. Take 4 to 6 inch stem cuttings during the spring or summer. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone optional. Plant the cutting in a pot filled with moist, well-draining soil. Keep the soil moist and provide indirect sunlight. Once roots develop, transplant your new Lantana Confetti to its permanent location. Seeds. While less common, Lantana Confetti can also be propagated from seeds. However, seeds may not produce plants with the exact same color variations as the parent plant. With a little patience, you'll soon have new Lantana Confetti plants to fill your garden or share with friends. What to plant with Lantana Confetti. Lantana Confetti's compact size and vibrant colors make it a versatile addition to any garden design. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Trailing plants. Pair Lantana Confetti with trailing plants like verbena or petunias for a cascading effect over containers or hanging baskets. Heat-loving herbs. Rosemary, thyme, and oregano complement Lantana Confetti's sunny personality and create a fragrant combination. Other flowering shrubs. Mix Lantana Confetti with other heat-tolerant shrubs like butterfly bush or firecracker bush for a burst of color and texture. By experimenting with different combinations, you can create a stunning and low-maintenance garden that thrives throughout the summer. My journey with Lantana Confetti has been a delightful one. It's a plant that rewards you with minimal effort, offering a continuous display of color and attracting beautiful pollinators. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Lantana Confetti is sure to become a favorite in your outdoor space.